In this video, we will learn how to add a custom domain in Vercel step by step. So let's get started. In our last video, we learned how to deploy the project on Vercel. You can watch the video on our channel. Now, Vercel has provided us a ugly subdomain which we want to change with our custom one. To do it, log into Vercel dashboard and on the top right side, click three dots. Then click Domains. On the following page, click Add Existing because we already have bought a domain. Now, enter your domain name here. Keep the settings as default. Click Save. The domain was added successfully, but it says that domain configuration is invalid. Now it says that we can add the DNS records. We can either add IP address or a record, or we can use Vercel DNS. In this example, we will use Vercel DNS. To use them, you need to log into your domain name provider. In our case, it's Hostinger. In Hostinger dashboard on the left side bar, click on Domains. Then click Manage next to your domain. Then click DNS or name servers. Here, you need to change the name servers. Click Change Name Servers. Again, click Change Name Servers and remove the current ones and replace them with Vercel DNS. Here are the Vercel DNS. Copy and paste them here one by one. Again, copy and paste. Finally, click Save. The name servers were changed successfully. Now let's go back and refresh. You can see now our domain configurations are valid for both domains. One domain is without www protocol and another is with www protocol. Keep in mind, it can take up to 48 hours before the domain propagation and you might still see the error. So you need to be patient after changing the name servers. Now let's see if the following domain is working with our project. Let's open the domain. You can see our website is now live with new custom domain. So this is how you can add a custom domain in Vercel. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe for more.